Hello everyone, welcome back to another Greenhse video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to put your smart devices into pairing mode. The first smart device we're going to be pairing is the RGB LED Bluetooth Downlight. Okay, the first step in pairing this Bluetooth Downlight is plugging it into the socket and pushing the on switch. It should be flashing. Then you want to go to the plus icon in your Smart Life app and push Add Device. The Bluetooth Downlight should show up. If for whatever reason your Bluetooth Downlight isn't flashing, you're going to have to reset the device. To do this, you're going to click the plus icon, push Add Device, and then scroll down to add the light manually. Go down to the scroll down menu on the left hand side of the app, push lighting, and then click light source BLE. You're going to click that and it will give you the steps on how to reset the device. The next smart device we're going to be pairing is the mini smart socket. For this device, you're going to want to put it into the socket and press the on switch. The blue light should be flashing. It's very small. You see that? Then you're going to want to go into the Smart Life app and once again press the plus icon and add device. Then you'll see the smart socket show up and you're going to click that and it will start downloading. If for whatever reason your smart socket's light isn't flashing, then you're going to go to the plus, add device, and scroll down to the add manually. This is where you go to the sockets and click Wi-Fi. From here, you just have to follow the steps and it should start flashing again. The next device we're going to be pairing is the MyBox 3-in-1 LED controller. I'm going to be using a strip light for my example. Once the strip light is correctly wired to the controller and the controller is connected to a transformer, you want to switch it on. The light is green. This means it is ready to be paired with the remote. To pair the remote, you want to click the on button 3 times. If it doesn't pair, like mine did, you want to click the set button 1 time quickly. And push the on button 3 times. And now it is paired. Now I have full control over it, using it with my remote. This exact process works for the other remotes, like this one, this one, this one, and many more. The next device we're going to be pairing is a wall light. Keep in mind, this pairs the exact same way as a Wi-Fi downlight. The first step is, of course, turning it on. As you can see, it is flashing, which means it is ready to pair. So you want to go to your Smart Life app and of course click the plus icon and add device. Now it should appear, as you can see. Now it is pairing. If you want to reset your device, you're going to once again go to the plus icon, add device, and then scroll down to add manually, go to lighting, and click light source Wi-Fi. This will give you a list of steps which allow you to reset your device. I hope this video was helpful. For more information, videos, and products, head to the greenhse.com website.